Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2026, last year of the Model S Plaid. This is the one with the new front end and back end. We did a full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film with a ceramic coating and full window film with XR Plus from Xpel. So we'll take a walk around and show you the install on the PPF, but here's your back end with the new diffuser, and then the front end you saw earlier. So let's take a walk and talk. So here's the nose. Starting here on the nose, you'll see all our edges are fully wrapped in, all our bumper stuff, no lines, no anything anywhere. All our corners are capped off. There's no edges of PPF. The hood's 100% wrapped, all the edges, the fenders all the way through, all the way in, the fender fully wrapped, the bumper coming around this fender all the way up to the A-pillars. You'll see all these corners, all this is fully wrapped around, coming around this A-pillar. Everything wraps into where the glass is, everything wraps into where the moldings are. Our doors, all four sides get wrapped underneath the molding, wrapped inside the door, wrapped under the door, and then this all wrapped in here where the fender meets as well. Our camera on this fender, fully wrapped. Let's go back here towards the back. Rear door, same, all four edges. So far there's no PPF lines at all anywhere. Come around our trunk area. Everything's nice and wrapped in. This was done. All this, the bumper, the diffuser, everything looks really good. Coming around this quarter, all looking good. All this is looking good. All this, everything coming into the tail light, everything just looks fantastic. Doors, handles. So there is a full 100% PPF Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film with some ceramic, and the window film is the XR Plus. If you need any questions, give us a call at Clearbrow, North Dallas, or you can write us, clearbrownorthdallas.com or clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. One of our phone numbers is 214-414-3809, or our cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching. Again, the Tesla S 2026 Plaid, the last of them being made right here. Take care. Have a great day.